properly recognized or identified. The proactively identical hazards, situations, and conditions details from the health, safety, environment, safety, accident data give analyzed, identically known factors, variables for future accident manufacturing environment.
Okay. The initial step, safety management. You know, in every organization there is a management. पता है कि नहीं पता है? Excuse me. You know that in every organization there is a management. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Same way there is a safety management, particularly in the oil and gas sector, infrastructure sector, or big companies or international companies, they have their department, well organized safety department. So safety management, how they recognize the hazards. The initial step to prevent accident is the identification of hazards. जैसे डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं ना, तो वो आपके ब्लड टेस्ट करता है, एक्सरे करता है, to diagnose the disease. Same way in safety management, इलाज के लिए to prevent the accidents or incidents, what they do the identification of hazards. Okay? The
Yes, sir.
health, safety, environment, performance improvement requires the implementation of proactive worker hazard identification and prevention programs. अब बात समझे कि सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट का ये काम होता है कि वो इस तरह के मेथड्स को तैयार करें. दे शुड प्रिपेयर सच टाइप ऑफ मेथड्स कि वो एक्सीडेंट होने से पहले हर एक को बता दें कि यहाँ पे ये होने वाला है. If you will do like that, it will happen like this. If you will do this way, it will happen this way. You to prevent the accidents, right? This is the duty of the safety management, to recognize the hazards and then they should prevent. Okay, by the methods and by different ways and by their programs. This is called the prevention program. Preventive action, preventive, before. ये नहीं कि डाके डल गए, लोग मारे गए, चोरियां हो गई और फिर पुलिस आ रही है जी कि दोबारा नहीं होगा जी. नो, राइट. प्रिवेंट कि जब पता है कि these are the sensitive areas, there are hazards, there are risks, so they should do the control before that, before happening. Preventive action. This is called the preventive action. Every program, every method, every worker facing the hazard and identify it, the worker should tell that, look gentlemen, if you were not wear the helmet, you can injure. If you are not wearing the gloves, you can hurt. If you are not wearing the safety shoes, you can hurt. If you are not wearing the goggles, you will be hurt. If you are not wearing the gas mask, you can die and damage your lungs, or you can have anything. So this is the preventive action. You understand, Mr. Abdul Qadir? What's your, I forget your name. You understand? समझ आई बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, मुझे आप रिस्पॉन्स दिया करें ना. The risk associated with hazardous conditions, खतरनाक.
सर, जो प्रोएक्टिव आपने बात की थी,
जी.
उसमें थोड़ा ये इस चीज के लिए जो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर प्रोएक्टिव होता है, मतलब जैसे प्रोएक्टिव का मतलब ये होता है कि प्रोएक्टिव कोई हो जिसको चीजों को एनालाइज कर ले,
उसको लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करें, टूल बॉक्स मीटिंग करें और उनको बताए कि ये एक्सकवेशन बहुत गहरी है, इसके अंदर शोरिंग के बगैर नहीं जाना है, ठीक है। अगर गए तो ये गिर सकती है, मर सकते हो, ठीक है। अगर ये ऊपर जाना है, बहुत सारी ऊपर 6-7 मंजिल ऊपर जाना है, या 6-10 फुट ऊपर जाना है, तो हार्नेस बांधो, स्कैफोल्ड बांधो, अच्छी तरह से उसको जो तरीका है उसके मुताबिक करो, ताकि आप गिरने से बच जाओ, ठीक है। दिस इज द सेफ्टी ऑफिसर, सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट, दे रिकॉग्नाइज द हैजर्ड्स। वर्कर्स को तो नहीं पता है ना, यू आर ट्रेंड फॉर दैट, आप ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो। वो बेचारा वो जो स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी में गया ही नहीं, उसको तो नहीं पता है जब तक आप उसे को बताओगे नहीं। समझ गए ना कि नहीं? जैसे डॉक्टर कहता है आपको कि जनाब आपने गंदा पानी नहीं पीना, ठीक है ना, गंदा पानी पियोगे तो क्या होगा, यू विल बिकम सिक। गंदा खाना नहीं खाना। सेम वे सेफ्टी ऑफिसर क्या कहता है कि ये काम ऐसा नहीं करना है कि इसको अगर ऊपर जाना है काम करें, लेकिन हार्नेस बेल्ट वो आप आगे जाके पीपीई में पढ़ेंगे और वो सारा पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द HSE डिपार्टमेंट एंड HSE पीपल एंड व्हाट इज HES, ओके। So the risk associated with the hazardous conditions or situations in the work environment can only be analyzed for accidents prevention if the related hazards can be properly recognized or identified. अगर आपने identify कर लिया, recognize कर लिया कि इस hazard के associated जो risks हैं, then you can control it very easily. Okay? HSE safety incident data can be analyzed by to identifying predictor variable of future incidents in manufacturing environment. What you can do if
Yes, sir.
if you are in an industry, factory or any process area, you can go to the safety department, take the list how many accidents happened and what was the root cause, what was the reason of incidents or accidents. You can analyze from them and then you can do the preventive action, and you can plan this way that there should not be any accident happen in the future. Okay? So safety management, recognizing the hazards and taking the preventive actions. In this slide you learned about that. Next slide. Next slide is the 30 slide, 30 number, right?
Safety data collection and management.
Yes. Same which I discussed, that HSE safety program, even in the United Nations, OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, investigates the workplace to ensure compliance with minimum safety standards. You know OSHA? You will study further OSHA. What is OSHA? This is the American Organization for the Safety. This is called Occupational Safety and Health Administration. We are following their rules, regulations about the safety of the workers. And any owner or any director or anybody who is not implementing the safety standards in their organizations, he can be sued in the court of law in the United States under the OSHA administration. Okay? So safety data collection, analysis and sharing will assist the industry to find out the root causes of an event, explore existing and potential hazards, and improve existing HSE safety program. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, next. HSE, okay, in the United States, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, investigates the workplace to ensure compliance with minimum safety standards. If OSHA compliance agents detect any infringement on a site, they may issue a penalty or a citation. In case of any serious accident or incident at the workplace, OSHA must be notified to inspect the accident, and OSHA has the full authority to close down the project, close down the site. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For next chapter, you read about the OSHA as well, because safety is based on OSHA, and there are many rules, regulations, and methods are extracted by OSHA. Okay.
So how many chapters in this course?
Which there are many chapters, but I will give you that which are useful chapters. At least you can start the job, But you must first know what is the HSE, What is hazard, what is the risks, what is the site, what is the programs, what is... It is basic,
Yes, sir.
अगर कोई नीचे गिर जाता है तो हाउ यू फाइंड आउट कि 12 फुट की बुलंदी से गिरेगा तो क्या होगा, 100 फुट की बुलंदी से गिरेगा तो क्या होगा, अगर 3000 फुट की बुलंदी से गिरेगा तो क्या होगा. देयर इज एनालिसिस, कैलकुलेशंस, राइट. So that is the next, it is the advanced,
Yes, sir.
but now I am talking about the basic of the safety. ओके अभी पहले से ही, अभी तो पहला चैप्टर नहीं खत्म हुआ तो आप पहले से घबरा गए. हाँ? ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. ठीक है. बीइंग ए सिविल इंजीनियर, बीइंग द क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड PhD in environmental sciences, I choose the safety. Right? Safety everywhere. Safety is must. Safety is first.
Yes, sir.
Safety is must. Then is the quality, then is the construction, then is the process, then is the progress, then is the money matters. But safety first. तो safety नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं. Okay? If OSHA compliance, okay. Next. What is CPA? Corrective and preventive action. In quality also we have CPA, corrective and preventive action. If any accident happens, our team goes there, they do the analysis, they collect the data, they identify the information, they investigate the product and the problems, and they take the corrective action to correct it. If done wrong thing, correct it, and then they give the preventive action that next time it should not happen. And in safety we give the non-conformity or NCR, non-conformities of the undesirable situation within the organization, that which I used to issue the I have the authority even to issue the NCR to the director if they are doing the anything they are doing not in compliance with the standard or not in compliance with the requirements. So safety officer, safety management have the authority to issue the NCR, non-conformities report, and ask them to do the corrective action, and they should give the surety for the preventive, that next time it will not happen. So this is also the duty of HSE department. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Work site inspection. We have studied before that any organization should define the schedule, checklist, and assess of the type and level of safety expression. This is also the part of HSE. Okay. Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Risk management, you have studied also through compliance quest risk management module. ये आप आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे. मैं जो एडवांस HSE course है. This is still it is very beginning that how we will maintain the document, okay, for the risk management, and how we'll manage all the hazard risks, and we have to categorize the risk, and we should follow the control measures and assign the risk. So these are the things which are the advanced risk management, advanced HSE course. So anyway, this is the basic of your course and information. Maintain a consolidated document, management for all the hazards and risks, categorize risk through risk rating methodology you have studied before, classify risks based on the function, process or activity you have studied it before, follow the hierarchy of controls while determining control measures, assign risk owners and frequency of reviews, alter the risk level based on the effectiveness of the control measures. Okay, Nick?
Yes, sir.
Next, enhance your safety culture and HSE health, safety and environment performance by effectively managing, communicating and analyzing all the health and safety information within the management solution.
सर इसका परफॉर्मेंस का क्या रोल होता है, मतलब परफॉर्मेंस कैसे सेफ्टी ऑफिसर प्रोवाइड करता है?
क्या चीज़?
सर इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि enhance your safety cultures.
Enhance your safety culture. Safety culture means everybody should aware with the safety procedures, safety equipments, safety personal equipments, safety driving, everyone. This is the HSE, health, safety and environment duty to give the training to the people. They should inform to them that they should have their culture, safety culture, everywhere they go, they should have the safety culture. Okay?
Sir, so my question is, sir,
And okay?